Hey, good afternoon, everyone, or good evening. I don't know what time you're gonna watch this, but I wanted to stop for a moment and take a video of this tree. And I live in Northeast Ohio, and back in December of 2020, we had a really heavy snowfall, and the trees in our backyard really got butchered. I mean, they were brutally weighed down. If you can see, there's a tree there. You could see how the snow was so heavy in the winds that it just um, broke a lot of tree limbs. And in particular, this one here. This is my dagwood tree, and as you can see, it is split right there. And what I was impressed about with this tree, and my husband, we were looking at this beautiful dagwood that even though it was wounded, when springtime came around, she still bore fruit. And so the leaves started to come in, and you could see that it's blooming very beautifully despite its wound. And I just want to encourage someone today, you know, if you have been wounded and you are still experiencing the pain of that, and it's still quite fresh in your heart and in your life, I just want to encourage you in just saying this: there's hope. There is always hope. And just because you've been wounded doesn't mean that you are dead and that all is lost and things will never be the same. In all actuality, things may never be the same, but they certainly will not be worse. I think there's hope for the future, and there's hope for your life, especially if you are under the light. Amen. Especially if you can stay close to the light, and the light is Jesus Christ himself, our hope of glory. Amen. And so your woundedness, our woundedness, can turn into glory. Wounds can speak to us. When we are wounded, when we are broken, and there's still fruit, there's something about that dynamic that really speaks to the depths of our heart, giving us hope, knowing that God really does turn things around for the good of those who love him, that there is hope for the hopeless seasons of our lives. So be encouraged. Here's a beautiful tree, and yeah, I can't wait till the summer comes, right? And God bless.